guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking these out, and a person suggests that I record doing this, so that's what I'm about to do. I don't need a comb or anything. I already started pretty much. I got a little section done, but I'm gonna show y'all a few in the front. When I take them out, I already did some in the back too. We already did a few in the back. Yeah, I gotta remember these have been in my hair I think 2 months now, so it's gonna be some shedding. So don't think that the rubber bands are pulling out my hair or anything, because I haven't had any issues yet. No rubber bands have been snagged in there or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a few in the front for y'all. This is gonna be a short video. I'll come back when I'm done, after I take out a few on camera for y'all. So basically, I wind it. I'm debating on whether to save this hair too, because it's pretty much in the same shape almost as when it came. And I'm thinking about just washing it and reusing it one day. But we'll see. And I can't say this is one of the easier hairstyles to take out too. Now I find where my actual hair is, so I won't pull it through the loop. Okay. And it's out. And I just found a piece of the rubber band and pop it, and then come out, no issue. This is one of the reasons why I'm taking them out, because they're a little dirty. Yeah. Just separate it. And that's where I lost my shed out of there. It is some fake hair in there too. It's my hair and the shed. I mean, my hair and the fake hair mixed in. And that's it out of that one. Like I said, I'm only going to do a few on camera, and I'll come back. Guess I'll show y'all the pile of shed, which is also going to have fake hair mixed in it. Emmanuel, go stop your alarm. And that's it. And get right back out of there. pulled a piece of my hair just then. I might have broke some hair just then. Didn't find the rubber band. I thought I had it. There we go. In a few, and I'm done taking them all out. Alright, see you in a few. Alright, y'all, I'm done taking them out. So this is pretty much what I got going on right now. I'm gonna wash it maybe tomorrow. It's been a long day, so I'll probably wash my hair tomorrow. So alright, y'all, bye. Alright, bye y'all. See y'all in the next video.